Hey folks, this is Zach over at Burlington Kia. Today I'm going to showcase one of our brand new 2026 Kia Sportage EX trim. Alright guys, this Sportage comes full with features. We got nice leather interior, full panoramic touchscreen right here, seat warmers, everything you might need in the car. So the Sportage EX comes well equipped with collision assistance as well. It's got blind spot monitors, forward collision alerts, and plenty of parking sensors as well as a backup camera. Come take a look at the trunk with me here. We got a nice spacious cargo space. We got an extra tire right here. One of my favorite features on the Sportage right here. If you pull this, the seat flips down. We also have a power liftgate in the back. If you're interested in learning more about the Sportage EX, come visit us at Burlington Kia and ask for Zach.